Hello, today's session is for general approval setup. How to do the general approval setup and how it's work and when we create a general and how the hierarchy it will work. Okay, so let's start from the scratch. So first, the first setup in the GL responsibility, go to setup, financial, accounting setup manager and accounting setup manager. I will search my ledger. Okay, click on the update button ABC PL ledger. Next. Okay, first thing you have to enable the general approval in the accounting setup. Okay, so next, finish. Okay, so first we have enabled the setup. Okay, now the second thing, which source we have to enable the general approval. Okay, in Oracle we have different source in GL. Okay, so which source you want to enable the general approval hierarchy? Let's say I need only for the manual general because AP and AR source we don't require, right? I will go on the source. If I query control F11, I can see lots of sources, okay? But I will only query my source, which is manual source. Then control F11, okay? So now you can see required general approval checkbox is checked, okay? So if it is unchecked, so you have to enable this checkbox, okay? The second setup is this one because okay, this is already enabled, so no problem. If it is unchecked, then you have to enable this one. Okay. This is a setup which is done in the GL, okay, which is required for the general approval. Okay. But now the next thing, we have to set up the hierarchy because it will work based on the hierarchy. So now I will create one another user which will be the super user of this user ABC. Okay. The ABC will be the user and the other user will be the approver. Okay, so the second user I have already created, but I need to define the employee. So let's create the employee first. Okay, before creating an employee, we need to do one more setup in GL, which is approval limit. Okay, employees and limit. But approval limit, once the employee is defined, then we have to define the authorization limit on the general approval limit. Okay, so now the third step, we will define the employees, then we will uh, define the limit, approval limit. Okay, so employee we will create in the HRMS responsibility, HRMS people, enter and maintain. We'll create the new employees. ABC. Just I'm putting the ABC only, or I can give the name mm, like ABC employee. Gender male. Action create employment. Okay, so employee number is automatic, so that's why the employees not appear here. Okay, then I will save it. If we will wait for to close this screen. It's taking a time little bit. Okay, so timing, let me pause. See, okay, so this employee is created. Now I will create the second employee. Test employee, and this one is the approver of the first one. Okay, again save. Okay, okay, okay. So now the both employee is created. So what I have to do, I have to assign the supervisor test. The employee number 2 I have to assign as a supervisor to employee number 1. Okay, so I will search employee number 1, ABC. I will find it. Okay, and then I will go to assignment. Assignment supervisor. I will search the name of supervisor, which is test. Save. Once the ABC user will create a general and which will cross the limit, then the general it will go to the test approver. Okay. Now the employee is created, assignment is done, we'll close this screen, and next step is switch the responsibility to sysadmin. Because we have created the employee, we have to link the employees to the user. If the employee is not linked to the user, then it will not work. Security user define. Test employee. Save. Second it ABC user. Save it. Okay. Now switch the responsibility to GL. ABC general is a responsibility. Set up employee limit. And I will set the limit here. So laser control L. Our laser will show for ABC employees. Let's say this having only the limit 1000 USD. Okay. So till 1000 ABC user can approve. If it's more than 1000, sorry, not 10,000, 1000. Okay. If it is more than 1000, it will go to the test user for the approval. Let's say this having unlimited limit. Okay. Let's say. Now I will create the general. General enter new general test general 1. Okay. Yeah, one more thing. This is our new configuration. Okay. So we have done all setup, everything, but the period is not open. So we have to open the period first. Open and close period. Jan 18. I will open the Jan 18 period. Yes. So now the request is completed. Again, I will open the general screen. New general screen. And now you can see the period Jan 18. It's showing. test general 1. Okay, category adjustment, line 1. Let's say 1000. I will copy the same line, shift F5, then control L. Cache, this cache account, and I will do save. Then I click on the approve button. So this journal should be approved because the user ABC having the 1000 USD limit. Okay. See, now you have received the notification your journal batch was approved. So it means your journal is approved. And you can see the status, journal is approved. Okay. So now we can click on the post. So our journal will be posted. Okay. So now you can see the status is selected for posting because still the program is running. So that's why it's showing the selected for posting. When the program is completed, the status will be changed, posted. Okay. So now the status, it should be, again you have to requery because the change will not be reflected. Find status. Okay. Posted. So again we will create the new journal, test journal 2. Let me give the account. For example, 50,000. But this user having limit only 1000. So this journal should go to the user test for the approval. Sorry. Save. Okay, click on approve. So now it will show the journal was forwarded to approver. Your journal batch was forwarded to an approver. So now you have to log in with the test user. test one, and you can see the one notification. See, see this is a notification bell. Okay, you have to click on this one. See, general where's test general 2, 27 December. Okay, you can see all the details. You want to approve, reject, or reassign to someone. So these all are the actions which you can perform on the notification window. And if you want to see the full detail of the journal, okay, suppose you are a manager and you want to see what are the journal entries the user is entered, okay, so you can see the full information. Okay, you can click here, enter journal. See, it will directly reach to the actual journal, okay, which you have received for the approval. But you cannot do anything, okay, you have only just access to approve this journal. So what I will do, I will close for now, and I will click on the approve. See, the journal is approved now, and there's no open notification in your notification bell. Okay, so let's log out this user because we don't require anymore. Close. Again, I will requery. Test channel 2, find and review the batch, not journal. So now you can see the journal is approved. Status is approved. Amount is 50,000. Okay, which is approved by the second user, means the manager. Okay. Now I will post it this journal. View request find. Okay, we can view the output if you want to see. And this is a batch name. Again, I will requery the journal. The status is changed. It's posted. So if you have any query or any issue regarding the journal approval setup or journal approval, so please just drop your comment in the comment box and I will reply you. And thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed, okay, please subscribe. And thanks for watching.